Welcome to AgriBot channel. Today we are looking at a very interesting farming model from Little Andaman that helped tribal families earn more from small areas of land. By combining tuber crops with pig rearing, this ICAR-led intervention improved both income and employment in a practical, community-friendly way. In the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Nicobarese community traditionally depends on coconut plantations and fishing for livelihood. Their farming style is quite different from most other regions because they work through a joint family arrangement. This is called the tuhet garden system, where land belongs to the community and both resources and produce are shared. So any new farming model has to fit this social structure, not just the crop requirement. To improve livelihoods in a way that suited local culture, ICAR Central Island Agricultural Research Institute started a participatory program in Harminder Bay of Little Andaman. The focus was on tuber crop-based farming systems. Instead of imposing an outside model, the institute worked with the tribal community and demonstrated practical methods on their fields. This was taken up under the All India Coordinated Research Project on tuber crops. The village had 15 tuhets, and each tuhet garden covered about 0.44 hectare on average. For the demonstrations, 10 tribal farmers were selected carefully. Each farmer received a fenced plot of 200 square meters near the settlement so that management would be easier. This small but well-planned starting point helped the community observe results closely before scaling up. The integrated model combined tuber crops with pig rearing, which is very relevant for the Nicobarese community. Farmers were trained and given planting material for elephant foot, yam, ginger, and Colocasia. Each selected farmer also received 3 piglets aged around 3 to 4 months. This combination was smart because crops gave seasonal returns, while pigs added value over a longer period. The crops were planted in May and harvested in December, roughly 8 months later. An important point is that the crops were grown under natural farming conditions without added manures or fertilizers. At the same time, pig body weight gain was monitored for a full 12 months. This made the model low input and practical for tribal farmers who may not have easy access to purchased inputs. The strongest result came from income improvement. In the 0.2 hectare model, net income per tuhet increased from 42 rupees 200 before intervention to 1 rupee 32 820 after intervention. The benefit-cost ratio also improved from 1.33 to 2.08, showing that the model was not only productive but also economically efficient. The big reason behind this jump was the integration of tuber crops with pigs, rather than relying on the old system alone. This model did not just improve earnings, it also created much more work within the village economy. Employment generation was estimated at 510 man-days per hectare, compared to 295 man-days per hectare in the traditional system. That means over 70% increase in employment, which is a major advantage in remote island areas. Because of this success, more tribal youth started seeing tuber-based integrated farming as a serious livelihood option. One of the most liked crops in the model was elephant foot yam, and it quickly generated demand among tribal farmers. After the initial success, 15 farmers adopted the integrated system on 0.03 hectare during 2015-16 and 2016-17. Later, in 2017-18 and 2018-19, demonstrations were expanded to 6 tuhet gardens of 0.2 hectare each. This kind of gradual expansion is important because it shows the model was accepted by the community, not just promoted by an institution. So the big lesson from Little Andaman is simple. When farming models match local culture, local resources and local food habits, the results can be transformative. If you found this case study useful, like the video, share it with others interested in agriculture, and subscribe to AgriBot for more practical farming success stories.